Hello friends and welcome back to our channel K2N Family. Today I'm going to show you a most famous dish of Goa which is commonly known as Aros. And to do this dish, let's go and start it. And for the start, let's take 2 cups of rice. Let's add some cold water. Now let's wash the rice and keep it soaking for 30 minutes. Now let's cut 2 medium onions, finely chopped. Now let's cut 2 medium tomatoes. So now in a vessel, let's take 3 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of dalda. Once the oil is heated, add 10 to 12 peppercorns, 6 to 7 cloves, 2 inch of cinnamon stick and 1 bay leaf. Let's roast this for a minute. Now let's add the chopped onion. Now let's saute this for 2 minutes on a medium flame. Let's add the chopped tomato. Now let's saute this until the onions and tomatoes are completely softened. Now let's add 2 cardamom. Now let's use half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now I'm going to add homemade chicken stock powder which we had done before. Altogether I'll be using 4 teaspoons of chicken stock powder. If you want, you can use Maggi as well. So here I've already drained the water from the rice and I'm going to add it. Now let's give a mix. This is the cup I used to take the rice. I used 2 cups of rice. Now I'm going to use 4 cups of water equivalent to this. But make sure the water is hot. Now let's give a gentle mix. Now let's add a little bit of green peas. Now let's give a taste for salt. I've already checked and I know that I need some little bit of salt. So you need to check at time when you're cooking if you need some salt and add accordingly. Now let's cover this with a lid and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes until the water is completely drained and the pulao is done. Now let's just give a mix. Try to do it from the edges. And now as you see, there is still moist left inside. So we will be cooking for another 5 minutes just on a very low flame. Now let's cover this and cook it for another 5 minutes on a very low flame. So friends, our Aros is ready now and it smells really great. So friends, if you've liked my recipe, please show some love by liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel. Until then, stay safe and God bless you all, and my final word to say, adios.